I have this thing that I like to do where if I see sports in the background of TV shows and movies, I will analyze it until I can tell exactly what game it is. Here's an example. I was rewatching Daredevil, and in the last episode of season 2, Foggy meets up with Karen at their favorite bar, Josie's. And during the conversation, you can see a hockey game playing on the TV at the bar, so of course, I had to figure out what game was on. My first clue was when I zoomed in here that you can see that the players are wearing full cages, which to me indicates college hockey. Then you can see at center ice that there's a giant S, which made me think Michigan State Spartans. So I looked up their rink, but it seemed that most pictures had a Spartan logo at center ice. But if you went further back, they had a big S logo there from 2008 to 2009. That shrinks down our window a bit. So then I went to YouTube and watched a Michigan State game from 2008, and I immediately noticed that one of the sponsor logos on the boards matched the one from the Daredevil episode. See, this blue logo is definitely a match, but the other sponsors didn't match, so I'm close, but not there yet. So then I couldn't find a game from 2009 to watch, but I found this fan video from 2009 where all the sponsors on the boards match. See, Nike logo, Taco Bell. So now we know the game happened at Michigan State in 2009, but who were they playing? Well, if you look right here, it sure looks like these jerseys belong to the Ohio State Buckeyes. So that means it's one of these two games between Ohio State and Michigan State, and I know that it isn't the Saturday game because this says that it was broadcast on Fox Sports Detroit, and their scoreboard on TV looked very different than the one that's on the show. So that means the game that was playing in the bar in Daredevil was this one that happened on February 13th, 2009 that Michigan State won in a shootout. And yes, this confirms what we all believed anyway, that the Montreal Canadiens' Jeff Petrie, who played in that game, is now part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe.